Here's the 5-step process I take to manage my multi-million-dollar portfolio in less than 1 hour per month. I just borrowed a significant amount to pay for the down payment of our dream house, so my portfolio is showing a lower amount than last month. Step 1, I sort my positions based on market value to analyze my allocations and make sure that my top 20 are still aligned to my long-term strategy. Step 2, I then sort by gains, showing the negative first. This is how I can quickly determine which stocks are on sale, so I can add more of those to my portfolio if they're still aligned to my long-term strategy. Step 3, I do a quick fundamental analysis on each of them to make sure there's still a fit to my long-term financial goals. Step 4, I open TradingView to identify key psychological levels where I can set buy limit orders for the assets that I conducted fundamental analysis in the previous steps. Step 5, I go back to my brokerage account and set 2 to 3 buy limit orders for my favorite asset. I also check any open positions from last month, and if they're not filled yet, I will readjust them. Voila, this whole thing takes me an hour per month. I strategically don't check my account for the whole next month so that I don't trigger my emotions and can stick to my strategy. If you're wondering how you can make your money work for you and compound in less than an hour per month, check out my free masterclass, investiva.com/masterclass.